In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to make your video capture device round shape or how to make your webcam round shape in OBS Studio. So as you can see, I've already added a dummy webcam. Now I'll show you how to make this cam round shape. First of all, we have to create a round shape. So go to your Adobe Photoshop, click on File, select New, and here width give 1280 pixel, height 1280 pixel, and click on background contents, select transparent, and then just click on create. And here we can see my canvas successfully added. Now in this tool section, you have to find out this shape tool. Just long press on the shape tool. Here you will find this ellipse tool. So select the ellipse tool, then hold down the shift key and just draw a perfect circle just like this. And don't release your finger from the shift key. At the same time, hold down the space key to move the shape just like this. So make the shape perfect. Once the shape added, click on this fill and select the white color for the shape. So make sure your shape fill color is white color and outside color is transparent. Now just press Ctrl S and click on save as type, select PNG, and then rename your file and click on save. So just go ahead and save the shape. Now go to your OBS Studio, select your webcam or video source. Go to filters, click on this plus icon to add an effect filters, select image mask blend, click on this browse option and select the select the round shape that we just created and open the shape here. Then click on this type drop down, select alpha mask, alpha channel, and click on OK. And as you can see, I've successfully made my webcam a round shape. Now we can see the top part is cropped. Now to remove this crop, hold down the Alt key and just uncrop this part just like this to make the circle perfect. That's it for now.